Hi FPV fans, this is the first build log for the large Skywalker. It's the Monster Energy Skywalker which I'm building. I best start off by telling you what's going to go in it. First of all, or what's in it I should say. First of all, the whole system is being powered by a Dragon Link RC. This is going to give me a decent range. I don't have to worry about the range popping out or anything, you know, so that's taken care of. If for any chance it does go wrong, it comes into my second thing, which is the FY21 and on here, and the AP117 system. This gives me a return to launch faculty, auto stabilizing, auto rotate of the, so it can just circle in mid-air. It's a great little system. All works off of a GPS, which is going to go onto the rear of this, onto the rear platform. Also on the rear platform, because I've got a GoPro and stuff to go on the front, I'm planning on powering a HD keycam. I'll put some Velcro on this flat edge. If there's anything interesting, so I'm flying across a coastline or something, I can just aim it towards the coast, so I can see where I'm going and get some nice shots from the GoPro, and on the back of the plane I can get some nice shots of the actual direct into the coastline and edit the two together. The whole system of the RC is being run through a 5 volt 5 amp Carnegie UBEC system. This, you know, regulates the power nicely. Sometimes with the ESC and the built-in back on that, it puts less strain onto it, so I don't have to worry about it. If that blows, at least I've still got power to maybe bring the plane down safely with the servos all still working. So anyway, we come down now onto the this machine, this pot here. This is another voltage regulator. This drops down the voltage. I've dropped it down to 2 cells. This is going to come straight out of the AP117 12 volt supply, dropping it down to 2 cells. I've done it to about 8.3 volts. Video transmitter gets less voltage than 12 volt. You just get a clearer signal. There's people out there, likes of Cody and stuff, have done a lot of experimenting with this, and I think Nigel as well and PK, and they find it gives you a clearer picture. Keep it a little bit cooler as well, but I'm not too sure. Up above that, we've got another little unit here, another voltage regulator. This drops down to 12 volt current, 12 volt, sorry, down to 6 volt. This is for the telefly. The telefly is being grafted or connected in to the actual GPS on the FY system, an AP system. This is going to give me a signal through the audio, which will be followed by my fly dream, which is a antenna tracker system, giving me a greater range if I need to. The Dragon Link goes back through the tail of the plane, as you can see. I've got this into the rudder system, into the tail fin, so it's going to be bedded in. The only piece sticking out is the one little part of the antenna. This should give me a great range, and it won't get, you know, knocked down, because these have to stay straight. Sometimes you have them poking out the bottom and they just keep on bending, probably breaking the end. I've got the top piece into a plastic tube to keep it stiff and upright. I'm running 2 servos on the back here. Both of them are high-tech HS82 MGs. They're ball bearing raced, good quality servos. If you're putting a bird up in the air, which is going to have all of this expensive gear on, you don't want it to drop out the sky because of a £3 servo. So good quality servos. I'm having good quality servos throughout this. They're all high-techs in the actual main sort of mechanics of the plane. We've got the second half here. I've got the current sensor on this one. If I turn it up this way, you can see I've got the current sensor on here and the main power coming in. I've got this on a separate side of the plane, and I'm keeping it all separate. There's going to be 2 batteries running this. I've got a separate battery for the video and 2 3 amp 3 cell lipos to power the main plane itself. This runs up through to the top compartment, which is running my escape, the power system for the prop, for the motor. I've taken the voltage, the main voltage plug, the plus plug, off of this, so I'm just getting the throttle response through that, separating it, because obviously this power is going straight to the UBEC, which I explained before, so it's going to power it. So it's just control only through the throttle. And that's pretty much it with this, really. This side, I've built a Gopro Pod for this, which I've already put pictures up of. We've got the system going through here, so all your power leads will go through the back of this. I'm going to run a 900 milliamp battery through this, so I can get access from the top. But if a flight's got real long, I could put like a 2.2 milliamp or something, 200, you know, through there, a larger one, plenty of room if I need to. Just made the top hollow here, so I can get my 900 in and out. That's usually pretty good. I think that would give me ample enough time, give me an hour or so if I needed it. And don't suppose I'll be up for an hour. So anyway, this is going to be fitted, as you can see, same as most pods, straight in like so. The wires will go down through the back and up out of here, so it can power the camera and the video transmitter. So that's the build so far.